The channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that all have to do with one specific niche, and this is part 2, and we are going to cover this wonderful niche as well. You can use these keywords for the title, for the subtitle, and for your 7 keyword slots if you decide to embark on this wonderful sub niche that is very profitable, and I'm going to share with you the results. We're also going to use a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the results, and I'm going to show you how to do the research yourself. And if you'd like to know what Chrome extensions we are using, I have included a link in the description box below where I dive into the extensions, how to use them correctly, how to download them, and so forth. Now, before we get started, if you are interested in videos such as these, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. And I also have a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP keywords, KDP interiors, graphics, coloring, book interiors as well, and also the fonts. Everything that you need to get started with your KDP business is right over here. You can even cancel before the 30 days is up, and you will not be charged if this is not something that you find suitable for you. Now, with that being said, let's get started with our first keyword out of the 4 today. And our first keyword is 100 things to know about coding. And you guessed it right. We are talking about the fun fact book niche, and this is part 2. You can find part 1 linked in the description box below. And our first keyword is 100 things to know about coding. So we're going to create a book that features 100 things that you need to know about coding, so we can be able to divide it based on the different coding apps like Python, Linux, all these other different apps as well, that or systems to code. We can make the book for children, we can make the book for adults, we can create the book based on the different levels. Are we dealing with beginners? Are we dealing with intermediate? Are we dealing with expert, tips and tricks about coding? So it's all up to you. So the total results is 56, and our bestseller rank is currently sitting at 284,088, which is below 400,000, which is also acceptable, and the lower the better. The results for the reviews as an average is 2,908, and our average price is $49.21. So we also have a really good keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is the highest on the scale that Amazon Scout Pro gives us for the keyword niche score, and that is also amazing. So the second keyword is scratch coding books for kids 8 to 12. So this is targeted for children between the ages of 8 to 12 years old, and it's about scratch coding, and it is a book, so preferably it's going to be a high content book. You can write the book yourself. You can use ChatGPT to create the layout and the structure and some content ideas as well, and you can even get the book ghostwritten through a couple of other different platforms that offer that service. So the niche score for that is 40 by Titans, and the Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 7, and the total results is 157, which is below 1,000. The average bestseller rank is below 400,000, and it's sitting at 359,635. Average reviews are 337. Average price is $13.61. Great keyword right over here, and there are a lot of really good books that are ranking quite well. This one here with a BSR of 16,000, and it is currently selling around 330 copies per month, generating around $1,048 on a monthly basis. A second book with a BSR under 100,000, and it is having a BSR of 41,000 approximately. We have other books as well right over here that are slightly above 100,000. This one's below 100,000, ranking at a BSR of 99,000 as well. So this one's 46,000. So there are many books that you can find. We found more than 3 books with a BSR of 100,000 in the results page. On the first page, they're not sponsored. Let's dive into the third keyword, which is interesting fact about Massachusetts book. My apologies for the pronunciation. Massachusetts book, and it has a total results of 46, and a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Also, we have the bestseller rank sitting at 411,588, which is also good to see. So total results under 1,000. BSR is also within that 400,000 range. We have the average reviews of 544. Average price is $12.12. Also, the results for this is fabulous. We have a couple of books that are ranking quite well as well under this keyword, as you can see right over here. This one with a BSR of 32,000. This one 338,000 is the BSR. This one's 85,000. So just right now we've managed to find books that are under 100,000. We've managed to find 3 books with a BSR under 100,000, which is a good indicator, and we need a minimum of these 3 books on the first page that are not sponsored. This one also has a BSR of 43,000. 12,000 is the BSR, 40,000 as well. So great results right over here. 79,000, 30,000 as well. All great results for this wonderful keyword right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.